Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best metal sheds available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the Victone 6x4 metal outdoor storage shed. One of the first things I noticed about this shed is its sloped roof, which is an essential feature for outdoor storage. Living in an area that experiences frequent rain, I was relieved to see that the design effectively prevents water accumulation. Unlike flat roof sheds that often struggle with drainage issues, this one allows rain to flow off easily, preventing any potential leaks or water damage. Beyond just the sloped design, the triangular-shaped roof structure provides excellent stability. This is especially important for those of us who experience strong winds or unpredictable weather. Security is always a concern when it comes to outdoor storage, and Victone has addressed this issue well. The lockable door is a game changer. It not only keeps my gardening tools, lawn equipment, and outdoor gear safe but also prevents small animals from sneaking inside. I no longer have to worry about pests making a home in my storage shed or someone accidentally accessing my belongings. At number 2 is the 10 by 10 FT outdoor storage shed. One of the first things that stood out was its spacious 10 by 10 FT size. I was able to fit gardening tools, a lawnmower, a wheelbarrow, and even some outdoor furniture inside with room to spare. The updated frame structure makes a noticeable difference. Unlike some flimsy sheds I've seen, this one feels sturdy and well built. I don't have to worry about it collapsing under heavy winds or snow. The entire shed is made of high-quality metal, which adds to its durability and longevity. Compared to wooden or plastic sheds, metal is far more resistant to wear and tear, ensuring that my investment will last for years. One of my top concerns was weather protection. Since I store power tools and other valuable equipment, I needed a shed that could keep everything dry. Thankfully, this shed is fully waterproof. Even after a heavy rainstorm, I checked inside, and everything was completely dry, no leaks, no moisture buildup. Security is another important factor for me. I keep expensive tools in my shed, so I wanted a lockable option to deter thieves. This shed comes with sturdy double doors that can be locked, giving me peace of mind that my belongings are safe. At number 3 on our list is the Metal Garden Shed 6FT×8FT outdoor storage sheds. One of the features that immediately caught my attention was the integrated punched vents. Unlike traditional plastic vents that can become brittle and crack under the sun, these punched vents are designed to last. They provide excellent airflow, which helps prevent condensation inside the shed, a common issue with enclosed metal storage units. This means I don't have to worry about my tools rusting due to trapped moisture. Durability is one of my top concerns when investing in a garden shed, and this one did not disappoint. The galvanized steel panels are coated with an eco-friendly protective layer, making them resistant to rust and corrosion. The aluminum frame adds another layer of sturdiness, preventing any wobbling or bending. Another thing I love about this shed is the apex roof design. Not only does it give the shed a classic and aesthetically pleasing look, but it also prevents water from pooling on top during heavy rain. The extra height inside also provides additional storage space, making it easy to stack items or install shelves if needed. A sliding door might save some space, but a hinged door provides better security and easier access. The included heavy-duty padlock is a great bonus, ensuring that my tools and equipment stay protected from theft. Moving up at number 4 is the 10x14 metal shed, outdoor storage shed. When I first saw the weight of the shed, 250 pounds, I knew it was built to last. It's definitely not one of those lightweight, flimsy sheds you can find on the market. The sturdy metal plates used in its construction make it feel solid, and I immediately noticed how much more stable it was compared to cheaper alternatives. It gave me peace of mind knowing that it wasn't going to shift or buckle under pressure. I also live in an area that occasionally gets heavy winds, and the fact that this shed can withstand wind speeds up to 70 miles per hour is a huge selling point for me. I feel confident that it will remain standing and secure, no matter what the weather throws at it. Living in an area with unpredictable weather can make owning an outdoor shed a bit of a headache. Rain, snow, rust, and moisture are all concerns I've had in the past with sheds that didn't stand up to the elements. That's where the galvanized coating on this metal shed comes in. The galvanized coating does an excellent job of protecting the shed from rust and oxidation, which are common issues with outdoor storage solutions. I've had the shed for a few months now, and I'm happy to report there's been no sign of rust or deterioration, even after heavy rain and humid days. Additionally, I haven't had to worry about leaks, as the shed has kept everything inside dry and safe from moisture. At number 5 is the 10FT×8FT outdoor storage shed. One of the standout features of this outdoor storage shed is its generous dimensions, 120 inches by 96 inches by 76.4 inches. When I first saw these measurements, I was confident that it would provide enough space for everything I needed to store, and I wasn't wrong. It's large enough to hold all of my gardening tools, including shovels, rakes, and trowels. But what really impressed me was how much additional storage space it provided for larger items like my lawn mower and snow shovel. When I was shopping for a shed, I needed something that could withstand the elements. The galvanized steel used in the construction of this shed has proven to be a game changer. This material ensures the shed is both solid and durable, even under harsh weather conditions. The exterior of the shed is painted for UV protection, which is essential for preventing fading or damage from prolonged sun exposure. I've noticed that after several months of use, the shed still looks as good as new, with no signs of wear or fading. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.